A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Miss Ashike. So, my name is Mantira, and I'm from DIM student. Okay, so this video for reflection group 1. Okay, so my first question of these activities: what have you achieved by participating in weekly activities? So the things that I achieved from this group is to build my skills, and it's helpful for debating. It's helpful for the part of the debating, for public speaking and academic competition, for for exam strategy, and also sport for teamwork. So balancing a number of commitments can help me to improve time management skills, and also while finding an area and enjoy for excel it can boost my confidence, my self-confidence. And the second point is social skills and relationship building. So I as a student often participants in weekly activity. For these weekly activities with other students in other grades, which help me to develop relationship skills, and in many cases for lasting friendships. And the second question for this reflection is: what have you benefits by organizing an activity for your classmates? Okay, so participating in these activities, I passionate about increase my brain function. It's helped me to concentrate and manage my my time more better, all of which contribute to higher grades. And these activities also train me to focus and build stamina in the face of intense difficulty. So these activities give me an advantage when it's come to studying and taking our mid-sem exam or final exam. And the third question is: describe the experience of your work together with your group mates to complete the project. And so my first experience with this activity that I had worked from with my group mates, it's break complex tasks into parts and steps. And my second point is plan and manage the time. So and the third point is refine understanding through discussion and also explanation. So the fourth question is: how PC100 thinking skill has influence in your lifelong learning? So for me, this global marketplace is more competitive than ever. So innovative products thrive on an organization ability to design the present in pleasing ways. So creative thinkings and application grab consumers attention all to learn, and it's also secures with our loyalty. So ultimately, creative thinkings is a common language that we can all learn to communicate our passions and also ideas with. So the second point is problem solving. So the world, in this world we can changing and will continue changing dramatically. So we as students that can face that ultimate problems and also ultimate non-stop problems that we are facing the challenges that require skill to define a problem and design the appropriate solution and put it to effective use. So problem solving skills help us to tackle anything from writing or shopping list to designing and realizing our big
Is I rarely watch movies. For me, this game was very difficult for play. And the second thing is I learn and I love the way they conduct the game very well. And the weakness is we can't hear the conductor instruction very well. The strength is the way they help each other to conduct the game. The changes is they can extend the time for answer the question. From this game, from this activity, I learned how to answer a question in very short time with the creativity thinking.
Hi, I'm Divya, and for the individual reflection, my experience with Group 1 is really fun and I have enjoyed with their games. In my opinion, my analysis of my experience as a team player is it was great because they have given teamwork and spotting well. Moreover, every team player has participated in the games and they gave answers for the games very well. For the third question, it is personal attributes time. So my personal attribute is that from this group is I can remember the songs and I can learn from it, and the calculator game is quite interesting. Moreover, for the fourth question, I think the actions that included to strengthen our teamwork is we have discussed about the games and we participated this game together. So finally, change to settle but to be a better team, in my opinion, is we have to participate more in other activities or games to gain knowledge and to make ourselves better. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nishalini. I'm from Group 10. Okay, first question is, in my opinion, my experience from this game is I really thoroughly enjoy this game, and I like the way they conduct the game, and also those three games, which is guess song, guess movie, and the memorized game. Actually, yeah, I really love the way the both group conduct the game, and I thoroughly enjoyed the way they conduct it. And from my experience, I've learned some new thing, which is the guess movie game. I didn't know lots of movie. By watching that game, by they conduct that game, I've learned some of the game movies name, and also the memorize. I've experienced that how much I can memorize such things, and I really love it. From the second questions, for me actually it's kind of difficult because there's a lot of participants, and we couldn't play with them eventually. Next time everyone must have the opportunity to play, and hope everyone can follow. From my opinion, everyone must follow the rules and regulations, because rules and regulations are important. When they follow the rules, they can play well. Everyone has the opportunity to play, and everyone will understand how to play, and this will make things easier. And the third question is, of course, as a strength, the way they did, the way the group members work together, they did a very good and very useful thing. I think that was the strength, and the weakness is they have to give everyone the opportunity to play, and they need to organize the game, how to give everyone the opportunity to play, how to organize the game, like that. And how to improve the strength is they need to communicate with the team members, and need to talk with them, lead the group in correct way. The leader must be very professional to lead them and make them understand the importance of giving others the opportunity. I think that's the main way they can improve their strength. And the last question is, the best changes is we, as a team player, we need to ask everyone's opinion. We need to hold together, and as a team, we need to support everyone. We need to give opportunity to everyone. That's the best changes, and we need to work together to perform a better work. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sashimi Sashimananan. I'm from Group 10. Today I'm here to share my experience by games Group 1 and Group 2. From the games, I'm really happy for participate the games, because before this also I never play or know about the games, but the Honda members let me know everything as a good knowledge benefit, and it's made me a strong for focus my future. That's all. Thank you. A very good morning to my miss and my friends. My name is Nimita Siva. I am from Group 10. I would like to share my experience in my PEC activities. The importance of the PE game is memory power and patience. It's very good for our knowledge. It's quite a nature for me also to enjoy playing this great game. It's well I am enjoy playing this game. It's very helpful us to relax and release our stress. It show our childhood memories also. I really enjoy playing this game. Thank you for that.